If you've ever called a company and thought, this is painful, well, you're not alone. Today, we're going to be breaking down why customers think your contact center sucks and, most importantly, how you can fix it. First, let's start with the 3 biggest complaints customers have about customer service. Number 1, I keep getting transferred to multiple different people. Yeah, nobody calls customer service just to get the runaround. Customers want their problems solved, not to play phone tag with multiple different departments. This happens when businesses don't have a clear routing strategy. The fix? Intelligent call routing. So make sure your system connects customers with the right agent the first time, whether that's through skills-based routing, IVRs, or AI-assisted recommendations. Number 2, I have to repeat myself every time I call. Yeah, and if customers have to explain their issue over and over every single time they reach out, that's a sign your system isn't tracking interactions properly. And in today's world, sorry, that's unacceptable. So the fix? Omni-channel solutions. Because a good contact center solution should not just log every customer interaction across all different channels, voice, email, chat, and social, but also allow agents to pick up where they last left the conversation off. 3, your chatbot is useless. And let's be honest, bad AI is worse than no AI. And if your chatbot or intelligent voice agent is always sending customers to an agent, what's the point? Bots should handle simple tasks like FAQs and appointment scheduling, but they need to be seamless in the handoff to get agents the things they need when it gets complicated. The fix? AI assisted, not AI only. Usable AI should help customers when it can and smoothly transfer them to a human when it can't, without making them start all over. Because at the end of the day, fixing your contact center means making it easier for your customers to get the help they need. So, if you want to learn more, drop a comment below or reach out. This has been Brian Nichols signing off for our mini episode of CX Without the BS. Subscribe for more straight talk about making customer service suck less.